Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa alihi Muhammad. Dear viewers, we are discussing 40 rules of love written by Molana Rumi. Today we discuss rule number 31 to 35. He rahmatullahi ta'ala said, if you want to strengthen your faith, you will need to soften inside. For your faith to be rock solid, your heart needs to be as soft as feather. Through an illness, accident, loss or fright, one way or another, we are all faced with incidents that teach us how to become less selfish and judgmental and more compassionate and generous. Yet some of us learn the lesson and manage to become milder, while some other end up becoming even harsher than before. Nothing should stand between you and God. No imams, priests, rabbis or any other custodians of moral or religious leadership. Not spiritual master and not even your faith. Believe in your values and your rules, but never lord them over others. If you keep breaking other people's heart, whatever religious duty you perform is no good. Stay away from all sorts of idolatry, for they will blur your vision. Let good and only good be your guide. Learn the truth, my friend, but be careful not to make a fetish out of your truths. While everyone in this world strives to get somewhere and become someone, only to leave it all behind after death, you aim for the supreme stage of nothingness. Live this life as light and empty as the number zero. We are no different from a pot. It's not the decorations outside but the emptiness inside that holds us straight. Just like that, it's not what we aspire to achieve but the consciousness of nothingness that keep us going. Submission does not mean being weak or passive. It leads to neither fatalism nor capitulation, just the opposite. True power resides in submission, a power that comes within. Those who submit to the divine essence of life will live in unperturbed tranquility and peace even the whole wide world goes through turbulence after turbulence. In this world, it's not similarities or regularities that take us a step forward, but blunt opposite, and all the opposites in the universe are present within each and every one of us. Therefore, the believer needs to meet the unbeliever residing within. And the non-believer should get to know the silent faithful in him, until the day one reaches the stage of Insani Kamil, the perfect human being. Faith is a gradual process and one that necessitates its seeming opposite disbelief.